Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to change a Mini Cooper battery easy guide. Begin by parking on level ground, switching off ignition, and engaging the parking brake. Put on gloves and eye protection, then pop the hood and locate the 12V battery. Keep a 10mm wrench and a battery strap handy. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, to prevent short circuits. After prepping, disconnect the negative terminal first using your 10mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal. Loosen the battery hold-down clamp and carefully lift the hold-down hardware away. Use a battery strap or two hands and lift straight up to remove the 12V battery from its tray. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean contacts with a brush and baking soda solution before installing the new battery. Set the new 12V battery in the tray with the same orientation, ensuring terminals align with cables. Reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamp until snug, avoiding over-tightening. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, and ensure connections are clean and tight. Start the engine to verify proper operation and reset any accessories or clocks as needed. Dispose of the old battery properly at.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.